Waste management in Mumbai is a serious concern for researchers, implementers, policymakers of the country. And usually, this is not only in India, but also this is a problem throughout the world in most of the countries. Apart from liquid and solid waste, electronic waste, plastic waste, radioactive waste, hazardous waste, even the construction and demolition waste has become very serious cause of concern around the world today. Even in India, as the cities are modernizing, the population is increasing, and hence there is always a generation of waste increasing. As a matter of fact, with urbanization, waste is increasing and increasing and increasing. On the other hand, the NGT has given a verdict that there must be lesser quantity of waste in the landfill site, as well as there are many cities now in India who are trying to reduce the waste landfilling and going for the recycling. As a result, the environmental pollution is increasing and human health is at stake. Apart from Mumbai, major cities of countries are yet to develop proper waste management. Like in many of the states, including the government of including West Bengal, Mumbai, rather Maharashtra, and many other states, they don't have a specific waste management policy. So it is a need that each of the states in our country must have a waste management policy of its own, which is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals 2030 and also Indian policy of waste management. With all this in the backdrop, we have come to Mumbai to look into the problems, look into the best practices by different countries, and how the solution can be evolved for the waste management in the city of Mumbai and also in the state of Maharashtra. The 13th International Conference on Sustainable Waste Management and Circular Economy and IPLA Global Forum 2023 has started at KJ Somaiya Institute of Management in Mumbai under the initiative of International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, and UNCRD and IPLA. The conference was inaugurated by Mr. Bart de Jong, Ambassador of the Netherlands in Mumbai. Of course, he also expressed the concern about the Mumbai's waste management, especially the use of plastic waste. However, he also expressed that the opinion that the use of plastic has reduced a lot compared to before.
In India, for the time to come, waste management is very, very pressing and urgent. Apart from difficulties in changing the supply chains in this country and also raising awareness, there is a tremendous problem of legacy waste that needs to be managed. And that is why India and the Netherlands this year embarked on a program for sustainable waste management. The program looks at all stages of waste management, so from waste collection to segregation, to recycling, to upcycling, and then at the end of the chain also waste to energy. For waste to energy, there's different solutions. You can go for waste biogas or waste to waste incineration. Now, this is already leading to tangible results in India. Last Monday, I had the pleasure, the honor, to be honest, to be in Nagpur, where His Excellency for Roads and Highways, Minister Gadkari, and also the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, they inaugurated the first biogas plant within our program. Plastics, of course. Plastics was mentioned before already, is a burgeoning problem at the moment. Plastic packaging, plastics in the construction industry, and plastics in agriculture. And allow me to make a small sidestep concerning plastics. I think the city of Mumbai itself has taken a lead here in prohibiting the use of plastic shopping bags. When I arrived in Mumbai a number of years ago, I unpacked my suitcases. I had about 20-25 plastic bags in it. I put them in a cupboard, and after 2-3 months in Mumbai, I looked at the cloud of bags, shopping bags I got in Mumbai. They were all linen. There was not one plastic bag in that. So that's really a commendable example, I would say, that we more see.
Professor Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, the president of International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, said not only Mumbai, the use of plastics in big cities in the country like Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore are very much worrying. He appealed to the Mumbai government to quickly clean the plastic waste in the sewage canal next to the Vidya Vihar station in Mumbai. He said that this is really a miniature form of garbage pile which has been seen in the Pacific. The Pacific garbage, it is a small addition. So government of Maharashtra Pollution Control Board must look into it so that, and also of course the BMC, they should look into it, and the canal must be converted from the plastic and garbage waste canal into a blue water canal. It is a need of the day. It is a need for the health of the people. It is the need for the safety of the environment. He said that even though the central government undertaken a number of initiatives like Swachh Bharat Mission 2014, then Swachh Sarvekshan 2016 to fix the waste management problems of the country, and it was not entirely a successful mission. Of course, in many of the cities, it is taking a shape of a successful waste management. We have seen that in Mumbai, waste problem is a tremendous issue and it has to be sorted out. So that's why we are holding this conference here in this year with 44 country representatives online and also in physical mode. So what we will do is we have identified a few areas like how the waste generation can be reduced. 2, how this waste which are generated can be converted into valuable product so that it can be made as a effective business model and the youth can be involved in generating business from this, and be sure that in next 5 years to 10 years time, business using waste will be a major area of concern, and it may take so 5th to 10th position of the business exchequer in our country. In this city, what we will do is from the conference, we will come out with some of the solutions and we will talk to the government, we will talk to other agencies, and we will take up some of the projects so that it can take some shape of the effective waste management, some of the areas which can make a best practice, which can be example as a best practice and which can be extrapolated to other wards and other cities of our country. So in that way, I believe that this will definitely help the state of Maharashtra with respect to the waste management business concern.